In a bid to enhance connectivity between the national capital and Haryana and other national capital regions, the Prime Minister-led cabinet approved Rithala-Kundli corridor of Delhi Metro Phase 4, a project consisting of over 26 kilometers with total outlay of the project at Rs 6,230 crore. The corridor is expected to be completed in 4 years from the date of its sanction.
In a bid to increase the connectivity between the national capital and Haryana, the Prime Minister-led cabinet has on Friday approved the Rithala-Kundli corridor of DMRC Phase 4 project. Now this project consists of 26.46 kilometers with total outlay of the project at Rs 6,230 crores. This corridor is expected to be completed in 4 years from the date of its sanction. Now this corridor will be Delhi Metro's 4th extension into Haryana. Presently, the Delhi Metro operates up to Gurugram, Vallabhgarh and Bahadurgarh in Haryana. This line will be an extension of the presently operational Shaheed Sthal to Rithala corridor and will boost connectivity in the northwestern parts of the national capital in areas such as Narela, Bhavana and parts of Rohini. Now this entire stretch will comprise of 21 stations. All the stations of this corridors will be elevated. After completion, the Rithala, Narela, Nathupur corridor will also connect Shaheed Sthal new bus stop station in Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh with Nathupur in Haryana via Delhi, which will tremendously boost connectivity in the national capital region. Also, the new phase of this Phase 4 project will expand the reach of Delhi Metro network in the NCR, thereby further giving boost to the economy. This extension of the red line will in fact reduce congestion on the roads and will also help in decreasing the pollution that is caused by the vehicles that operate on the road, and it will in fact increase the connectivity between the national capital and Haryana. With camera person Xavier Thomas, this is Anushka Garg for NETV.